Today's Hot Wheels 72 count A question mark case unboxing, USA case. We're going to know here in a little bit. Nonetheless, it's brought to you by A&J Toys. This case just arrived while I was out traveling. Got home. This was waiting for me, so we're going to open it up. It is sealed. I have not talked to Ken at A&J Toys. All I know is that this arrived, and so we're just going to open it up. I think it's an A case, but sometimes I get the case codes confused. If it is the A case, we've already opened up the international. This would be the US case. I thought maybe the USQ case would arrive. So this might be a different case with this GC sticker on it. I looked at it. It's everywhere where they've covered it up. So I'm not entirely sure what this case is. So we're just going to find out. Now, when I do the title of this video after I film it, then you guys will know. But as of this moment, while I'm filming this, I don't. So let's just go ahead and open it up. And then whatever it is, we'll go through the contents. And it might be the A case. We'll find out, right? That's sometimes kind of fun to do. So here we go. Okay, I think... Well, no, it is the A case. I'm seeing the Subaru. I'm seeing lots of things. Okay. All right, let's just get to it. This appears to be the USA case, right? Right, okay. Let's go ahead and start. We start with the fast gas, and I'll make sure the lighting is good. We start with the fast gas, and we move to the diaper dragger, and there is the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in red, the recolor holdover from the Q case. Next one, what looks like we have one that fell down, so this is the Gotta Go in blue, which is nice looking. Again, it's been a while since I've done these, so I'm trying to remember. A lot happened. The convention, I was on vacation. Night Shifter and Snoopy. This is the standard Night Shifter, not the Hot Wheels ID Night Shifter. I did run into the Hot Wheels ID guys at the convention. They, with a nice smile, said, "You like those chases we've done?" I said, "I definitely do." So we're going to be looking for more of those. All right, Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32 in gray. Obviously with the PR5 wheels and the Skyline logo in gray, that means it is the regular. If you get the, where is it? I got it right here. If you get this one with the gold wheels, you've got yourself a super. But that's a very nice one. Road Bandit, the very cool Jeepney, and then the Driftsta, all from the A case as well. So I'm assuming that this A case is going to be hitting. If I know a lot of people are finding Q cases, some people internationally finding A cases, so this should be hitting very soon. Gotta Go once again, Driftsta once again, and the Road Bandit once again. All right, I'm starting to remember now. When we did the A case last time, there was a lot of repeats, so we're going to see if this is the same here. Remember we found like 5 or 6 of these Mercury Cougar recolors. There's the Batmobile in chrome and the Warp Speeder. So we're just going to find out what we've got in here. Another Warp Speeder, Mod Rod held over from the Q case, and the Chill Mill. By the way, just pulling this out, let's say like, well, actually, let's do this with the Subaru when we get it, because we're going to grab that right here. This is how we know it's the US case. New for 2020, you've got the Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Oh my gosh, that casting is perfection. But this is why we know it's the US. There's sometimes there's the a different kind of warning on the back of this one. And the language is a little bit different. So this one has the description. The US cards have the description. The international do not. So there's the description. So that's why we know this is the US case. So that's what makes sense. Octane and the wheelie chair. That's Subaru. Can't get enough of how awesome that Subaru is. And happily, there is a second as well. So another Subaru. 69 Chevelle. That's the tuned version. And then the Quick Bite. Happy, happy, happy to have that Subaru. Another new model from this case is the Pixel Shaker. You can see that, new for 2020. Special feature, best for track. What does it say here? Nothing's going. Let's see, where is the special feature? Oh, designed to attach figures. I'm assuming that's what they mean right there. Ride-Ons is the name. Okay, so that makes sense. Now we're starting to figure all this stuff out for 2020. 2005 Mustang, another fast gassin'. Skull Shaker in black. Mustang Super Snake also in black. And another Pixel Shaker. Two of the 64 Nova Wagon gassers. Hopefully you guys saw the special gasser that Junamai from Kaido House did. He did a custom of this one that we auctioned off for charity at the event that we did at the convention last week. Really, really cool. Brendan Vituski helped auction off because that's his casting, and then June did a custom of it. And there's the Land Rover Series 3 Custom, new for 2020. Not the new model, but the new deco for 2020. Very, very nice. All right, our third toilet car. So there's our first, like, more than two repeat. But again, the A case is always going to be have a little bit of filler because it's almost like the 2020. It's the holdovers from 19 plus warming up for 2020. Bubble-matic. Isn't the Bubble-matic the treasure hunt? It is. So there's the treasure hunt symbol right there. Where is the symbol? There's the symbol right there on the model. So I don't think I had the regular treasure hunt in the last case. So now we do. There it is. Bubble-matic. All right, let's see what's going on in this side of the case. Nice to see two Silverados. I don't think there were two in the last case we did. So two from holdover from the Q case. Two Silverados and then the Tooligan. All three of these are holdovers from the Q case. The Challenger Drift, Dodge Charger, and the Nova Wagon. Justice League Batmobile in this kind of brownish purple color, and then two of the Roger Dodger. Seen a lot of Q case holdovers. Another Batmobile, another Indy Oval. The Honda City Turbo is new for 2020. That deco. The fantastic Porsche 911 GT3 RS in purple, and then two more of the Jags. The XESV Project 8, which is just, oh my goodness, that is super nice. Okay, there's our second Mercury Cougar. There's a Camaro. There's our second Porsche. I'm not seeing as many multiples, obviously, as that last case. Dragon Tail, the Jag XJ20 220, and then the Quick Bite once again. Another Jag, Formula Solar, another Charger. Fantastic Lamborghini Huracan. The recolor of the Nova, or the 55 Nomad. We're busting through these now. Super Snake, and then the recolor of the Ranger Raptor. Oh, there we go. There we go. Chase car alert. We found the Night Shifter Hot Wheels ID Chase. And since Hot Wheels sent me the other one, maybe I'll open this one and we'll do a little feature on it when I do another ID feature. So very cool to find that one. In this case, they're saying that the numbers are going to be very low on these. So I'm happy to have found one. We can see that they're in the case. Then the Carbonator and the Dodge Challenger Drift car. So very nice to find the Hot Wheels ID Chase. We'll put that to the side, and then we will finish off with these three. The Tune Up, Mazda MX-5 Miata, and then another Lamborghini. There you go. That is the USA case. If A&J has them, it means stores are getting them. Oops, knocking things over. So be prepared to find these. Look for that Skyline Super. Look for the Subaru 22B for sure. And then, of course, look for the Hot Wheels ID Night Shifter Chase. First Hot Wheels ID Chase of the year. I love that they're doing it. I hope they continue to do it. Thanks, everybody, for watching. I've got some good stuff coming up. For example, this guy, because he's going on sale very, very soon. So we'll be showcasing that. I've got part 2 of the basic preview that I did with the Hot Wheels team. That's coming up. And a whole heck of a lot more. Be prepared. Thanks, everybody. Bye.